Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix app crashing issue on iPhone in iOS 27. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version, that is iOS 27, and now you are facing the problem that your apps keep crashing, here I will show you how can you fix this issue. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply open settings on your device and then go to general and then go to iPhone storage, and from here make sure that your iPhone storage is not full. And after this you have to simply go to apps and delete useless apps from your device as well. So guys, do this, and after this go back, and now you have to simply open the App Store and then go to profile, and from here tap on app updates, and then you have to simply update all of your apps from here. So as you can see the update option to your apps, you have to simply update them to the latest versions. So guys, do this, and after this go back and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply force restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go to general and then scroll it below and go to date and time, and set your date and time from here. Again go back and go to language and region, tap on region and select your country or region correctly. Again go back and then go to VPN and device management, and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device as well. And then go to transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.